Welcome to Preaching to the Room, Talking to the Screen, a better way to get your message seen, heard, and remembered. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Steven Forrest. I'm a writer, director, and creative coach. And for most of my career, over 40 years now, I've worked behind the scenes helping pastors and communicators, just like you, shape messages that connect, not just in the moment, but long after they're delivered. I put these lessons together for a simple reason. The way your message is being heard today has changed. And for most pastors, no one ever really explained what to do about it. You know how to prepare a message, you know how to deliver it, but you might not have been shown how to shape it for the way people are actually receiving it today. So the value in these lessons isn't more information. It's a clearer way to think about how your message is experienced wherever people encounter it. That's my promise to you. As you walk through these lessons, you'll start to recognize what's working, what's not, how to make simple adjustments that help your message connect more consistently. Every week you step up to speak. You've done the work, you've thought through the message, you've prayed over it, you know where you're going. And in the room, you can feel it landing. People are leaning in. There's energy, there's connection. But then when you watch it back, or you think about the people who saw it online, something's off. Same message, same words, same delivery, but it just doesn't feel the same. And here's the tension most churches are living with right now. Because today, it's not just about what you say, it's about how your message is experienced. In the room, you have presence. On the screen, you have to earn attention. In the room, people stay with you, but on the screen, they can leave in seconds. In the room, your message is felt. On the screen, it has to fight to be heard, and even harder to be remembered. And here's what most of us were never taught: how to shape a message so it actually works in both places. Not just delivered, but received. Not just heard in the moment, but remembered later. Because if your message isn't landing the same way everywhere, you're not just dealing with two audiences, you're dealing with a breakdown in communication. And that's the shift this is built around. Not more content, not better equipment, but a better way to think about how your message is seen, how it's heard, and how it stays with people after you're done speaking. Because once you understand that, you don't just reach people in the room, you start reaching people everywhere your message shows up. If you're looking for a better way to get your message heard, seen, and remembered, you're in the right place. I'll see you on Lesson 1.